Hey guys, this is Sid from Sid Saying, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't seen the last video for Yive, this is the second video of the series, and I would request you to go and watch the first part of the series that I spoke about in the last video. So in there, I told you about Yive, how we create videos, what all it does, and how you can get it from my link with all the bonuses that I provide. Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about Amazon campaigns. We're going to create a campaign and I'm going to show you the result of the campaigns that I've done in the past and how they rank on Google. So as you can see, like I told you in my last video, I am creating almost 100 videos every day, and since last week I've been focusing more on. We start, a very important thing to note here is that if you're going to create an Amazon campaign in Yive, it is important that you already have an Amazon affiliate account ready for you. If you don't have that, it's very simple. Just go on to Google, search for Amazon affiliate. This is the first link that's going to come up. Go to that, Amazon Associate Central. Just sign up. It's a very simple process. If you're not able to do it, let me know in the comment section. Just write Amazon affiliate and I will create a video for you, a tutorial for you on how to create a new account on Amazon Associates. All right, so let's get over to the dashboard of Yive and create a campaign. Right, so let's go to one of the campaigns backend. So I created this campaign for cycles on amazon.in, that is the Amazon store India. Okay, if we go to the back end, we can see all the videos that we've created, and let's just take this one. So suppose we have created this, the channel name is Lola Reviews. All right, we go and search this up on Google. So as you can see, my video is ranking on the first page, that too within I think 5 to 6 days of it being uploaded. So you can see the power of it, since YouTube has a very good authority, a domain score of 100. So the videos that you put on it, more often than not, land up on the first page of Google rankings. Let's take some other example. uh, this was uploaded 6 days ago. Now if we look for something else, let's take this one, Montra Maroc cycle. So the channel name where it was uploaded is Stop Reviews. Now one of my channels, I currently have I think 60 channels. So when we search this up on Google, so my video ranks again on the first page. So you can see the power of Yive, what it does. Anybody who wants to purchase this cycle would obviously go out and look out for reviews, and more people prefer videos over text nowadays. So this gives you a lot of power, this gives you a lot of authority in that term. Okay, so let's go back, let's create a new campaign. So we are going to create a watch campaign, which would be for Amazon India. Okay, we select Amazon because that's what we want. We go on to the next step. So the region we would like to choose is amazon.in. Keywords would be again watch, watches, watch for men, watch for women. The more keywords you put in, the more options you'll get, the more products you can search. So let's get started with this. So this is going to show you all the results from all these 4 keywords. As you can see, you can load more for watch for men, load more for watches, load more for watch. So this is all that is coming up. Now if this has a null rating, Yive is automatically going to remove this. It won't be making a video on that because uh, the primary importance of creating video is to influence or convince the buyer that this product is good, and if there are no reviews available on the product, then it won't be created, right? Because what Yive does is actually takes out the reviews that the people have given, actual people have given, and compile a video review out of it. So this is just for sample purpose that we'll be going through this. Okay, so as you can see, the null one has been removed. It is removing all those. It is just refreshing everything. This is also going to be removed very soon, so you'll have an idea what is left at the end. So now we're done with this. Now we are going to go to the next step. uh, After the products have been chosen, so this is the next step where we can customize how many slides do we want. I would go for 15 to 20 slides, that perfect. And I would suggest go for at least, yeah, 7 to 10 seconds per slide, because that gives enough time for person to read what's written there. The ideal video duration is anywhere between 2 to 5 minutes, so we won't change that. If you want to change it, you can increase this, and you can increase this as well. So this is going to change the video duration. Okay, if you have not much, because you've not increased it to a big level. The next is look and feel. If you want to add animated text on the video, you can select that. I would suggest you do that, because that helps the video. If you want to go for a voiceover with a background music, the Amazon voice, the Amazon Poly voice, or the Google voice can be used for this. Then there are different languages or accents you can go for. There are different persons you can go for. I generally prefer background music only, because it gives a more a premium feel to the video. This is the outro text. What do you want to show to the customers once the video is ending? So I more often than not write buy now, link in the description. That's it. The outro background color, it should be simple enough. I go for white on black on white, or white on black, anything. So we go to the next step now. Okay, so we are there on the next step. This is the last step of the video. If you want to make videos and upload it manually, you can choose this. If you want to if you want to let Yive do all the things, upload it automatically, you should select this. These are the YouTube channels you can go for. I've made groups for my YouTube channels, so I can choose, say, I want to go it in the review group. There are 29 channels in that right now. Upload interval is how after how much time do you want one video to be uploaded. So ideally you should upload one, maximum 2 to 3 videos after the channel seasoning has been done, to get a safe to be safe from Google's scam filter. So if you are adding 29 channels, and you are practically uploading 29 to 40 videos in a day, then you can take an interval of 5 minutes also, because these are all different channels. There isn't going to be a lot of harm done that can happen. You can choose your Amazon associate tag, the one you've created on the Amazon affiliate website. These are the tags you can add. Watches on Amazon. So it is always advisable to go for something that has a brand name if you're choosing products, because it really helps, and it makes it very easier for your videos to rank on Google once it has a brand name and it's very targeted. The call to action is this is something that will depend on video title, which means that will come before the video title. So this is more like honest review, or you can write anything else you want. Just maintain a space after this semicolon, because it shouldn't be very it there should be a little space between the title name and the honest review thing. In the description before, you can write the URL, you can write the title, you can write the summary or the transcription of the video, whatever you want. Or you can write buy now. So after this, Amazon's your affiliate link would be shown after buy now. And if you want to write something after the Amazon affiliate link, you can enter it here in the description after. So this box is to add any content or URL to the description area under the video after the Amazon link. Spintax is supported. I'm going to explain Spintax to you in the videos later on. And you should add Amazon affiliate disclosure. It will append as an Amazon associate, and I earn from qualifying purchases. So this is very important when you're dealing with Amazon, to give a disclosure that you are an Amazon affiliate. You can add translations. There are a lot of languages that you can choose from. I generally choose all, because There's no harm in that. If you have a SynLab account, if you have a SynWire account, you can sync that. I don't have one, so I'm not going to do that. Now, videos per day. If I am having 29 channels, I generally go for 29 videos in a day, just to be on a safer side, because I don't want to hamper my account or damage my reputation in the eyes of Google's, just because of a couple of videos. Render automatically, keep this on. Campaign status, keep this on if you want to start immediately. Yep. We're going to save the campaign, and that is that. So the campaign is set up. It's going to start rolling within a few minutes, and you can start or see the uploads within a few minutes or hours, max to max. So this was it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like it if you did, and subscribe to the channel, share the videos, and press the bell icon so that I can whenever I get the next video, you are updated about it. All right, see you next time.